Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Change by John Waite on guitar. Let's start by learning the core chords. You'll primarily need G, C, D, and M. These are all open chords, making them accessible for many players. Focus on getting clean sounds from each chord and practicing smooth transitions between them. This foundation is crucial for playing the song effectively. Now that you have the chords down, let's tackle the strumming pattern. A common and effective pattern for change is down, down, up, up, down, up. Try to keep your strumming hand moving consistently, even when you're not hitting the strings. Maintaining a steady tempo is key to making the song sound right. Listen to the original track to really internalize the rhythm and feel. Understanding the song structure will help you play it more confidently. Change follows a typical verse-chorus structure with a bridge. As you play, think about adding dynamics. You can strum a little softer during the verses and then build intensity for the chorus. Also, listen for any instrumental breaks or fills that add character to the song. This makes your performance more engaging. To truly master change, consistent practice is essential. Start by playing the chords and strumming pattern very slowly, ensuring accuracy. Gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable. Using a metronome will significantly improve your timing and help you stay in rhythm. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing this classic in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.